So today I'll show you how to make basic animation projects on Blender. First we open Blender software on our PC. Then we start by making just a cube will be shown as following. We have to start by making a tower or something like that, a building structure, so that we can make it fall somehow. So I just start by duplicating the objects like that, duplicating the cube exactly. So I use the snap tool, and press I press Shift D for the shortcut for duplicating objects. Uh, see, like that. I use Shift D, and I press one for transverse view. If you want the shortcuts for transverse view, and then I resize the top box to 2 scale on X and Y axis, and the bottom box also a 2 scale. Then I resize the middle box at 1.5 so that it looks a bit attractive. Uh, we I just press 1 to make it transverse again. Then I add 4 blocks to the ground like base like structure for the tower. Then I just go to the color and texture. I'll just make it fast. You can slow down the video if you don't understand something. I just use the templates of texture present in my desktop. I just use the white color, but still not visible. Just wait. Now it will be visible. I use scene world. It's somewhat visible. Just wait. Just starting. We'll have it all. I use the same color, same material properties used as the previous box, and I do the same for all the others. Just do the same, and that's the ground boxes. We go by somewhat turning them green and brown for the texture of grass and ground. Just see. I add another file present at my desktop. Green color. That's green. Just pick everything to the closest so that the pixels are not very far visible, and it makes everything a bit nice looking. Just select another brown texture for the ground blocks, and I put all the 3 below boxes cubes in brown. It's like ground. I press 1 for always the transverse view. You can press 1 for a shortcut transverse view, and it's the numpad one, not the keyboard top one. I select the whole, bro. I want to make a building like something. Just wait. It's not proper. Wait. Yeah, press 1. I press 1 and then do this. Is fitting perfectly. I put some of these blocks and I think it's looking fine. Just duplicate a single block. Just wait and see. I use for duplicate. I use Shift D every time. The shortcut for camera angles are 1, 3, 9, and 7 in the numpad. They will be helpful for to you. Just delete the side boxes, and then it's like 2 sides are done. We have to do 2 more sides. I'm trying to copy that. This way. I guess it's not fitting. I clear them by Control Z undo. It's again not fitting properly. Just wait. Yeah, this is the correct angle. Guess I'll make it right. Yeah, it's done. I guess it's okay. Now same at the fourth side. I'm looking for an angle. No, no, this won't do. Green box is selected. No, again green box. I'm looking for a particular angle. Yeah, this is the correct angle. I just pressed one from the numpad. All the shortcuts. Yeah, this is 7. This is 7. If you press 7, the transverse view will be visible from the top. Now the building is made. I just need to do the ground. I again pressed 1. Uh, Ground on both sides. I pressed 3 there. It's looking good, I guess. Just working out fine. And that's all, I guess. It's okay, right? Now this one block is it's okay, I guess. It's looking just fine. Now we have to add like some shadows, I guess. The shadows are not visible. I'll add some shadows. This is the scene settings where I'm touching. Ambient occlusion just smoothens everything. It smoothens the texture, nothing else. And the shadows, ambient occlusion. I just need to turn the shadows in the right direction of the sun. Angle is the spreading of the shadows, and the strength is the strength of the sun. I guess 10 is more. I'll go with 5. I guess it looks fine. The angle is not the angle of the shadows, but the angle of spreading of shadows. Okay. Now I'll adjust the light source so that it adjusts like the sun just a little bit. Yes, it's fine. No, no, no. It's fine. Yes, looks fine. Yeah. Now we we can view everything from view and frame all everything on our axis will be visible on the screen if you press view all. I just gotta make everything like in motion. Just watch carefully here. Go on select tab and select linked. Now go on rigid body and turn on active. The active and passive feels like the active means it's moving, and not active means passive means it's not moving. It's not supposed to move. The active means it's supposed to move. So the ground I set to passive, and the building I set to active. So just see the preview. It's like this. The blocks which are not in contact with any ground, they fall under gravity as usual. I just increase a bit of gravity so that they fall a bit quickly, just like that. So I guess we should do some more of free fall. I just disarm something here and there randomly. You can do it randomly. Guess it work out just fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, guess I want to make something else fall. It's just okay. It's slow, still slow. I want to make the left side also fall. I have to do something. Wait, I think I'll dismantle some of the left side. It's just done, almost done. I'll dismantle some of left side. I think it'll work out fine now. It's much better from before. I don't want the whole thing to fall down. Like it will be a mess. It's now fine. So we're good to go, just like that. Yes, something to make it attractive, a bit sketchy. It's just optional. Think we're done. Looks fine from all the angles. So works out fine. Just want to check out if everything is good. Just want to increase the frame rates once. Just see, it looks great with higher frame rate, I guess. I'll just check if anything is missing or not. Yes, it's good. Save it. Thank you.